One of my friends was dealing with this annoying issue. His PC kept shutting down automatically. Like, he'd turn it on and boom, within seconds, it'd power off again. So he took it to a technician, and the guy told him straight up that it's a motherboard issue. Now, I'm not blaming that technician or anything, but I actually built that PC myself, so I know its hardware conditioned pretty well. And also, my friend has a habit of downloading games from those shady third-party sites. Yeah, the sketchy ones. So I had a feeling this was more like a Windows or software problem, not a hardware failure. So here's what I did, and you guys can try the same thing. Who knows, maybe this trick saves you from unnecessary repairs too. First, shut down your PC completely. Then turn it back on, and as soon as it starts loading Windows, hold the power button to force shutdown. Repeat this same process 3 times. Turn on, Windows loading, force shutdown. Do that 3 times in a row. On the 4th boot, Windows should automatically enter Advanced Startup Repair mode, and you'll see a screen saying, Preparing Automatic Repair. Now just wait. When it's done, you'll get 2 options, Restart and Advanced Options. Click on Advanced Options, then go to Troubleshoot. Inside Troubleshoot, you'll see Reset this PC, but don't go for that yet, because we're still not sure if the issue is software or hardware related. Instead, click Advanced Options again. Now, from here, choose Startup Settings, then hit Restart. Basically, this will let you boot into safe mode, where only the essential Windows services run, so it's a clean environment to test what's really going on. Once it restarts, you'll get a list of options. Press 4 on your keyboard to start in safe mode. You'll notice the words Safe Mode in all 4 corners. That's how you know you're in. Now here's the main test. Stay in safe mode for a while, maybe a few hours or at least 30 minutes, and see if your PC still shuts down. If it stays stable here, that's a strong sign the problem is Windows related. Maybe some corrupted update, a service conflict, or even malware. In my friend's case, the PC didn't crash at all in safe mode, so that pretty much confirmed it wasn't hardware. So from there, you've got 2 easy paths. Either reset your PC from the same troubleshoot menu, or if you know exactly when the issue started, use System Restore or uninstall the recent Windows update from safe mode. But hey, if even after all that, your PC still keeps shutting down, then yeah, it's time to look at the hardware side. RAM, CPU, PSU, or maybe a motherboard short circuit. In that case, let a technician handle it. Hopefully, this walkthrough helps you figure out what's really going on with your system, and maybe even saves you some cash. If it did help, drop your thoughts in the comments. Tell me if this worked for you or if I missed anything. See you guys in the next video, and thanks for watching.